Alright guys, we're going to cover graphing quadratic equation in standard form. Remember, standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. X equals negative b over 2a. That's the x-coordinate of our vertex, and it's also the axis of symmetry. That's the line that divides the parabola in half. When we do f of negative b over 2a, so when we evaluate this number, that gives us the y-coordinate of our vertex. So our steps are 1, we're going to find the vertex. 2, we're going to build a table around it. And 3, we're going to plot the points and draw the curve. Now, I know you've been doing this with a graphing calculator, but you can do it by hand without one. You only need the calculator on your phone or a scientific calculator. So, just because you don't have a graphing calculator doesn't mean you can't do this. All right? So, we're going to graph y equals x squared plus 4x plus 5. So first thing we're going to do is find the x-coordinate. So x is negative b over 2a. A is the number, so this is a, this is b, and this is c. Since there's nothing there, a is understood to be 1. So it's going to be negative 4 over 2 times 1. So negative 4 over 2. So the x-coordinate of my vertex is negative 2. Now I'm going to plug that in. So negative 2 squared plus 4 times negative 2 plus 5. So 4 minus 8 plus 5 is going to give me 1. So my vertex is the ordered pair negative 2, 1. All right, so we're going to build a table around negative 2, 1. We're just going to do 5 points. We're only looking at a small piece. So negative 2, 1 is going to be the center of my table. All right, so I'm going to plug that in here. I'm going to pick 2 numbers smaller and 2 larger. So negative 3, negative 4 are smaller. Negative 1 and 0 or larger. So I'm going to take each number and plug it in there. So negative 4 squared plus 4 times negative 4 plus 5. So 16 minus 16 plus 5 is going to give me 5. Then I'm going to plug in negative 3. So negative 3 squared plus 4 times negative 3 plus 5. 9 minus 12 plus 5. That's going to give me 2. All right. Then I'm going to plug in negative 1. So negative 1 squared plus 4 times negative 1 plus 5. So 1 minus 4 plus 5 is 6 minus 4. So that's going to give me 2. And the last one I'm going to put in is 0. 0 squared, 4 times 0 plus 5. So that's going to give me 5. So like I said, all you need is a scientific calculator or the calculator in your phone. You can find these points. All right, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to graph these points. I expect you to graph on graph paper, not line. All right, so I'm going to start with negative 4, 5. So negative 4, 5. Negative 3, 2. Negative 2, 1. Negative 1, 2. And 0, 5. So I'm going to plot all those points. And then I'm going to draw my nice parabola. Remember, it's going to be U-shaped. Make sure you put the arrows on the end because it is continuous. We only graphed 5 points on this entire graph. So we just graphed the smallest piece.